Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures. Hi, I'm Corban and that's Mommy.
Hi.
And today we're going to show you how to make a color-changing magic experiment. So stay tuned. The first step is to fill these cups or jars with water until they're almost full. Put 2 drops of food coloring on each lid. Now we're going to put the lids on the jars. Now shake them up.
Ready? Go.
Woo! Purple, blue, and orange. This is a very fun experiment that will teach your kids about colors. Thanks for watching. Bye, and subscribe. Bye. See you in the next video. Bye.